How to transfer money from Phantom to Bybit. First, open your Phantom wallet account and click on Send. Then, select the currency you want to send to your Bybit account. For this example, I'll use Solana. If you haven't sent funds before, you'll need to find your wallet address. To do this, open Bybit. Click on Deposit, then select Deposit Crypto. Search for the same currency you have in Phantom, in my case, Solana, and select the Solana chain type. Copy the wallet address and go back to Phantom Wallet. Paste the address in the To field, choose the amount you want to send, then click Next. You'll see the fee, then click Send to transfer the funds. If you're sending a large amount, I recommend doing a small transaction first to make sure it arrives correctly. Once sent, it might take a few minutes for the funds to appear in your Bybit account. For me, it took about 2 to 3 minutes, and the Solana showed up in my Bybit account. And if you liked watching the video, give it a like and subscribe.